my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a lesson plan on quick multiplication of a 3-digit number by 5, 9, 11, 19, 25, 49 and 99. Okay. Now before I begin, I must tell you that a lesson plan has 3 segments. The first segment is introduction, the second segment is procedure, and the third is closure. Now, the first segment, introduction, is very important. It should not exceed more than 5 to 7 minutes. And also, it is very important to warm up the students for the lesson, So it should be very activity oriented, so that students should gear up for the lesson. Okay, and teachers should recall the concept that has been learnt in the previous class in the introduction. So to begin with, without any further delay, let me get started. Okay, now in the introduction, the lesson plan goes like this. The teacher writes the following sum on the board: 324 multiplied by 99. Okay. Next, the teacher invites a learner randomly and asks him or her to solve the sum with regular multiplication method. Now, I hope every student knows the regular multiplication method, and the student will solve the sum on the board, and the expected response of the student will be 32,076, that is 32076. The teacher guides the learner if required. Now, the teacher states that there are times in maths class as well as in our daily life where we will have to multiply a whole number by digits like 5, 9, 11, 19, 25, 49 and 99 quickly and accurately. Okay, quickly and accurately. The teacher explains that this method, this regular multiplication method, is very time consuming. So today we shall learn about some tricks as well as some mental math strategies that will make this multiplication easier. Thus, the teacher introduces the concept of quick multiplication to the class. Okay, so this is how the teacher will introduce the topic of quick multiplication to the class, and then the teacher will move to the procedure. Now, the procedure should not exceed more than 30 minutes. Keep that in mind. It should vary from 25 to 30 minutes. Now, in procedure, the teacher asks learners to solve the following multiplication problems in their notebooks. The teacher writes on the board example 1. Quick multiply the following. A. 726 multiplied by 99. The learners discuss among themselves and they find out steps of quick multiply. Then the teacher explains the steps to quick multiply. Always you should allow the learners to discuss amongst themselves first, and then the teacher should come up with an explanation, because it helps the learners to explore, to interrogate. Okay, and this helps in clearing of the concept. Now, the teacher explains the steps to quick multiply. Step 1. Multiply the number by 100. The teacher explains that to solve the given sum, we put 2 zeros at the end and then multiply by 726. So here it goes. 726 multiplied by 100 is equal to 72600. Step 2. Subtract the original 3-digit number from your result. Now, the original 3-digit number was 726 and the result that we have got is 72600. So let us subtract the original 3-digit number from our result. So 72600 minus 726 is equal to 71874. Thus 726 multiplied by 99 gives us 71,874. Okay. Then the teacher asks the learners to solve a sum, that is 584 multiplied by 99. You know, this has been given by teacher to practice on the sum, to practice on the method that has been taught by the teacher. So the learners solve 584 multiplied by 99, and then first what they have to do, first they have to multiply 584 by 100. The answer which they get is 58400, and then they subtract 584 from 58400. The answer which they get is 57816. Okay, the teacher may guide the learners, whoever needs help. Then teacher instructs the learners to devise a way to quick multiply 726 multiplied by 9. Okay, now here the teacher may guide the learners by saying that in order to multiply by 9, or rather quick multiply by 9, what they should do, they should first multiply 726 by 10, and the answer will be 7260, and then they can subtract the original number 726 from 7260 to get the final answer, that is 7260 minus 726 gives us 6534. Okay, now next the teacher discusses a sum, that is 436 multiplied by 25. How do we do that? By quick multiplication. Step 1, multiply the number by 100. So 436 multiplied by 100 gives us 43600, and then we divide the result by 4, as you can see on the screen. By dividing 43600 by 4, we get the answer 10900, that is 10,900. Thus we can say that 436 multiplied by 25 is equal to 10,900. Okay, so these are all the quick multiplication methods. Then teacher explains that since 25 multiplied by 4 is equal to 100, so multiplying a number by 100 and then dividing the product by 4 will give us the desired result. Okay, then teacher asks the learners to solve one sum in the notebook, that is 297 multiplied by 25, and let the learners come up with the responses. The expected response should be 297 multiplied by 100 gives us 29,700, and then 29,700 divided by 4 gives us 7,425. Okay, the next sum which the teacher discusses with the students is 436 multiplied by 5. Now how do we do that? Step 1, first 436 multiplied by 100, we get 43600, that is 43,600, and then step 2, divide the result by 20. 43600 divided by 20 gives us 2180, that is 2180. Now the teacher must explain that since 20 into 5 gives us 100, so multiplying a number by 100 and then dividing the product by 20 will give us the desired result. Okay, then teacher gives a sum or a question based on this, that is she asked the learners to multiply or quick multiply 297 into 5, and the expected response should be 297 multiplied by 100 gives us 29700, and then 29700 divided by 20 gives us 1485. Okay, clear? Next sum which the teacher discusses would be 352 multiplied by 99. So what will be the steps? Step 1, first multiply 352 by 2. Okay, so 352 multiplied by 2 gives us 704, and then step 2, multiply the result by 10. So 704 multiplied by 10 gives us 7040. Then step 3, subtract the original number from your result. So what is the original number? The original number is 352, and the result that we have achieved is 7040. So we will subtract 352 from 7040, which gives us 6,688. So we can say that 352 multiplied by 19, the answer is 6,688. So got it, viewers? Without doing regular multiplication, you can quick multiply in this way. Then teacher asks the students to quick multiply sum like 281 by 19, and the expected response should be like this. First 281 should be multiplied by 2, and the result would be 562. Then 562 should be multiplied by 10. The result would be 5620, and then 281 should be subtracted from 5620 to get the final answer, that is 5339. Okay, I hope this is clear why we have first multiplied by 2 and then multiplied by 10 and then subtracted the original number, because 2 into 10 is equal to 20 and 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. Okay, now next, after all these questions are discussed, the teacher moves around. Now remember one thing, while the students are solving the questions in the class, in their notebooks, the teacher should move around the class while they are writing the answers to the discussed question. Okay, it is very important. And then teacher projects the classwork sheet and she instructs the learners to solve the problems independently in the notebooks. The teacher guides the learners if required, and then the teacher projects the answer keys provided at the end of the classwork sheet once the learners have completed the task. The teacher also discusses the answers and clarifies the doubts of the learners, if any. Okay, next comes the closure. It should not be more than 5 minutes. Now here again, the closure should have an activity. Okay, a group activity. So what I have decided is that the teacher divides the class into 5 groups. The teacher distributes a set of number cards, that is 0 to 9, to each group. Okay, I hope you all know what are number cards. It is a rectangular shaped card on which a digit is written. So the teacher distributes a set of number cards, that is 0 to 9, to each group. Then teacher gives the following instructions to each group. She says that each group will randomly select any 3 number cards from the given set and then arrange them to form a 3-digit number. Okay, so what each group will do, they will randomly select any 3 number cards from the given set of number cards, that is 0 to 9, and then arrange those 3 numbers to form a 3-digit number. Okay, now suppose if there are 5 groups, so 5 groups will have 5 different numbers. Then group 1 will quick multiply the number formed by 9. Group 2 will quick multiply the number formed by 19. Group 3 will multiply by 25. Group 4 will multiply by 49, and group 5 by 99. Okay, once solved, the teacher will elicit the answers from each group and appreciate their efforts. Eliciting the answers from the students is very, very important. Always keep in mind. Okay, now after the class is over, what is the expected learning outcomes that should be achieved? The learner solves problems of multiplication of a 3-digit number by 5, 9, 19, 25, 49 and 99, and learner also is able to calculate quickly and accurately. So these are the learning outcomes which must be achieved after you have executed this lesson plan in the classroom. Okay, so this is it, friends. This was a lesson plan based on quick multiplication of a 3-digit number. I hope you have liked it and it will prove useful to you. If yes, then please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.